Hi, I'm Andy from Bitrix24 Gold Partners Interface. In today's quick win video, I'm going to show you how you can create project templates to use over and over again for repeat projects. So first of all, you need to click on work groups, and then you need to create your project work group with all of the tasks and all of the members that you would like in it. Let's go to one I made earlier and let's take a look at the task structure I set up. So I've created a number of tasks that we require to onboard each client, and you can pad these out with as much detail as possible, creating checklists and adding the responsible people into the task. I've also created a folder structure for all of the files that we require to onboard a client. So spending enough time on creating your project template means that you don't have to spend that time each time you onboard a client in this case. So to create your new project, simply click on About Project, click on Actions, and then click on Copy Project. Here we can then type in our new project name. We can give the project a start date. And here we can decide what we would like to copy through from our project template. So I'm going to copy through all of the members, all of the tasks, all of the documents and folders, and any welcome feed posts that I've created inside this particular project template. If I click on copy, that will then create me my new project group straight from the project template. So if we click into the drive, we'll be able to see the folder and document structure that I had set up. And if we click into tasks, we'll be able to see the tasks that have been created directly from the template. In here, I can then go in and set each deadline automatically. And it's as simple as that to start using your projects over and over again using a template. So thank you for watching. Please get in touch for a full demonstration, or to find out more about this and other solutions, please go to interface.com/solutions.